Hi, how are you? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to add a gradient color to the ad bar in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. Just click it. The themes page will open. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu will appear. Click Edit Code. The theme files page will open. In the filter, search for base.ts. You'll see a file named base.ses. Click it to open your store's style script. This contains all your store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description. Here's the code we'll be using. Let's click the button to copy the code. Just click it and it'll be copied. Back in Shopify, paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, the first line has the gradient code to modify. I've set a default color, but you can choose any gradient. For the exact code, visit SS Gradiente. The link's in the comment. On this site, you can generate the color code below. You can edit colors, change them, or add new ones in the middle. You can customize the color and generate it as you like. To generate your desired color, I'll use an example code here, which will produce 2 codes below. The first is an RGB background we'll ignore. The second is a linear gradient background. We'll copy everything before the semicolon in this code. Select all, copy, return to Shopify. The first code there will be the same linear gradient. Select all before the semicolon, delete it, and paste the new code you just generated. That's how you change it and apply any gradient you want. I'll keep the default I'm using. After this, you can also change the announcement bar text color. To change the color, go to announcement text below and simply change the color name. By default, the color is set to white, but you can change it to any text color you want. You can set it to black, blue, or any color. Just edit the color name in English. Simply enter the color name in English and it'll change the text color. After configuring, go to the top right where you'll find the Save button. Click it and your changes will be saved successfully. Now when you visit your store, you'll see the ad bar with the gradient color you chose. I hope this helped. Goodbye.